Hello learners, this is Sheetal Shende from Dadasaheb Balpande College of Diploma in Pharmacy, Besa, Nagpur. Today in this video I am going to present LED on carbonatives, which is included in the syllabus of first year of subject pharmacognosy. Now coming to the learning objectives. After watching this video, the learners will be able to understand the concept of carbonatives. They will be able to identify the sources of drugs used as carbonatives, identify the morphological characters of drugs used as carbonatives, and apply the pharmacognostic study of crude drugs for detection of adulteration. So let's begin with the topic. What are carbonatives? My dear viewers, carbonatives are the drugs that expels the gases from the GIT by increasing peristalsis, or these are the agents or soothing medicaments that act by relieving pain in the stomach and intestine and expels the flatulence and gas from the GIT by increasing peristalsis. These compounds generally facilitates increasing the gastric emptying and mildly irritation to the gastric mucosa, so that peristalsis occurs and or peristalsis is increased by relieving cramping and expels the gases thereby. So here you can see the figure, the person with a gastric discomfort. Here are few examples of the carbonative drug. As you can see on the screen, the example of carbonative drugs are cardamom, ginger, fennel, clove, coriander and black pepper. Now it's the time for reflection spot. You can see on the screen the question for the reflection spot. Under which conditions can you advise to take carbonatives? You can pause the video and write down the answers for the question. So the answer for under which conditions you can advise to take carbonatives is: we can prescribe carbonatives in indigestion, gastric discomfort and even in loss of appetite. As I have earlier said, many crude drugs are available which are used as carbonative. So I have taken one drug as an example, that is fennel, to explain the pharmacognostic study. Now the pharmacognostic study involves the synonym of the drug, the biological source, their method of cultivation and collection, uses and so on. So here you can see on the screen the synonym of fennel. So synonym, we mean the alternative term or identical term to the official title of the drug. Now the synonym of fennel is fennel fruit, Fructus feniculum, saw or body shape. Now coming to the biological source. In biological source, the details of nature of the drug, part of the plant use, its systematic name and limit for the active constituents are mentioned. So here you can see that the fennel is a dried ripe fruit, and the systematic name of the drug, that is the botanical or zoological name, is depend upon the source of the drug, and the family, that is Umbelliferae, is mentioned in the biological source. Now the geographical distribution. The geographical distribution includes the habitat or the source therefrom the drug is obtained commercially. So fennel is cultivated commercially in Russia, Germany, France, and in India it is cultivated in Gujarat, Punjab and Maharashtra. Now moving towards the cultivation and collection, the normal requirements for the systematic cultivation are to be studied with reference to the soil, rain, altitude and other climatic conditions. The sowing of the seed is done by the dibbling method. So dibbling method is nothing but by placing the seed in the hole, and the distance between the two plants is 25 cm. So fennel is cultivated by dibbling method. Quality fruits of good germination rate are shown just before the spring, and free branching of the herb and specific arrangement of the leaves on the stems require plenty of space in between the two plants and rows. So 4 to 5 seeds are put at a time in hole at a distance of 25 cm in between them. Now the soil requirements, it requires well drained and calcareous soil, and the climatic condition, the favorable condition for the fennel fruit is it requires a sunny situation for its glorious cultivation. Now towards the morphological characters. So morphological characters are included for their identification of the crude drug. So identification of the crude drug can be done by the organoleptic characters. In general, the color, odor, taste, size and shape of the drug are studied. So in case of fennel fruit, the color is green to yellowish brown. Odor is sweet and aromatic. Taste is strongly aromatic and mucilaginous. Size 5 to 10 cm long and 2 to 4 mm width. And shape is straight or slightly curved. Now the chemical constituents of the drugs. The utility of the drug is due to the chemical constituents which are present or which they contain. They contain the theoretical active content, and some may be inactive constituents too. So the chemical constituents present are, the main chemical constituent is volatile oil, 3 to 7%, and the volatile oil contains phenone, ketone, phenolic ether and anethole. The other constituents are proteins, fixed oil, filandrin and limonene. Now coming towards the uses of fennel fruit. The fruit is used, or fennel is used as carbonative. Along with the carbonative, it is also used as aromatic, stimulant and flavoring agent. Lastly, we'll see the adulterants. So fennel is commonly adulterated with the exhausted fennel fruits, which can be distinguished by some test. The fruits from which the volatile oil is removed by treating with alcohol contain very less percentage of volatile oil and have a typical odor of fuel oil. Such fruit do not contain phenone. If the fruits are exhausted by application of steam, they look greenish brown, as you can see in the picture, and they contain only a traces of volatile oil and they sink in water. So by this way, the adulterants or the pure fruit can be tested or identified by the test of adulteration. Thank you.